Hi, Dr. Lee and all my classmates. This is my math graph. The topic is who is my favorite community helper. This is good for age 5, and the reason I picked the topic is because next week will be the week of community helper, and I would like to show them the graph that something relate to the assignment that I'm working on too, so I think it's good. And my inspiration is from page 180. Topic is the other unit graph from the textbooks. And the circle time, at the circle time, I will introduce community helper to the classroom, who they are, what kind of the duty do they do for our community. Then I show them how to read the graph. So every time we always start from the left to right, have them count how many community helper on the graph, and I have the picture of them and I label it with the word so they can recognize the word. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 helper on this row, and then from the at the left, the number on the left, we start from bottom to top, 1 to 10, because we have 10 children in the classroom. So each children get post-it and place their name above their favorite person. Make sure they address the post-it in the box, so it's will easy for them to read and they don't get confused later if they post it like outside the box. So it's good for the future. I will ask them why they pick this helper for their favorite. What do they do for our community, and how many friends pick the same as them. So when I call out all the children and put their name on their favorite community helper, I will ask them to count all the yellow post-it all together and find out how many do we have. So we have all 10 friends on this area, and I will point to them like, okay, we have 10, so this number have to match with the number on the left. And then after this, I will show them show them to count in the same column and find out how many friends vote for their favorite helper. And I will put the number and put it above, so it's real easy for them to come and check it later after the circle time too. So nobody picked the doctor, so I put 0 on this. So I will ask them all the sample question, like have them count how many votes for each community helper receive. So this is what we already got, and then put the number on the column and have the children compare column height to determine whether they are more or fewer or same number of votes. Also the question to extend, I have 2 questions I want to ask them. Let's say I want to ask them how many more votes does the chef have than the firefighter? Or I can ask them, did any of the helper receive the same number of the vote? So, and have them find out by themselves. And that's it. That's all how the graph works. And thank you for watching. Have a good one.